Good afternoon, Dr. Anayo. My name is Franklin Chemiri Opara, and I am presenting a paper on the development of a mock resume for software engineering role. First of all, a software engineering resume is a formal document that shows one's technical skills, educational background, work experience, and projects. Unlike resumes in other fields, software engineering resumes place strong emphasis on programming skills, tools, frameworks, and practical experience. So, what are the key components in a resume for a software engineering role? The key components include the contact information, the professional summary, which provides a brief overview of the candidate's skills, experience, career goals. It is usually written in 2 or 3 sentences that appear on the top of the resume. The resume also includes technical skills, the education and the projects and experience of the software engineer. So in this term paper provides an example of a resume for a software engineering role. So the importance of a well-structured resume is that it significantly increases one's chances of getting a job from an interview. For software engineering roles, recruiters seek evidence of technical abilities and the ability to apply knowledge in a real-world scenario. So, my term paper has presented the development of a mock resume for a software engineering role. By outlining the structure, components, and importance of each section, the paper demonstrates how an effective resume can serve as a powerful tool for career advancement. Thank you.
My name is and I'm here to present my term paper topic, which states the comparison of monolithic and distributed architecture. First of all, what is monolithic architecture? It's a traditional software design approach which the entire application is developed under a single unit, whereas for the distributed architecture, it is a software design approach where an application is divided into multiple independent services and is communicated under one server. Now, the comparison of monolithic and distributed architecture. The monolithic architecture is easier to develop, whereas the distributed architecture is more complex and harder to develop. The monolithic architecture application uses a single application, whereas the distributed architecture relies on multiple independent services for communication through a server. The distributed architecture is a lot more reliable and handles scalability more better than that of the monolithic architecture. Now, both architectures have their strengths and weaknesses. The monolithic architecture is suitable for small-scale applications such as e-commerce, banking, and etc. Whereas the distributed architecture is ideal for larger complex applications or systems, and developers can choose an architecture based on the necessary needs that they need to fulfill when creating a particular application. So, thank you very much.
Good day, Dr. Anayo. My name is William James Lichku. I'm here to defend my term paper. I'm defending the topic, importance of CI/CD. So CI/CD concepts basically stand for continuous integration and continuous delivery, and they are both the power of automation to create, build, and run tests to ensure codes are ready to ship. So under this, we have roles of automation in CI/CD, and they are used in building automations to ensure efficiency, speed, and build-ups. Then they also enable quality dashboards, enable faster feedbacks, enable confidence. Then technical benefits of CI/CD is that they have speed and they are reliable and they are fast, and they have early bug detection. They have smaller, safer changes. They reduce risk and downtime, and they improve calibration. Then the strategic importance of modern enterprises is fast time to market, improve code quality, increase efficiency at lower cost, reduce risk, and greater reliability, then better collaboration, faster feedback loops, and enhanced agility. Then we'll go to the challenges and the conclusion. The challenges is the implementation challenges are cultural and team hurdles. Then the automation and testing bottlenecks, environmental inconsistency, security risks, performance and scalability, then the tool chain and the complexity, the dependency management, and the visibility and monitoring. Okay, in conclusion, for the Department of Software Engineering at Veritas University and the industry at large, CI/CD is the gold standard. It transforms software development from a series of high-risk events into reliable, automated, and continuous flow of values. And in essence, CI/CD transforms software delivery from stressful, infrequent events into a predictable, continuous, and reliable process, crucial for digital transformation and staying competitive.
My name is Fashri Tembelua, and I'm here to defend my project 10 paper, which is Trends in Web Designs for Mobile-First Applications in 2026. Now, what are trends in web designs? Trends in web designs are basically those features considered while creating a website or mobile application. For example, features like the uniformism, generative UI and AI personalization, from fluid to static, and the thumb zone theory. Now, the thumb zone theory, popularized by Stephen Hober in 2026, is crucial with the one-handed use of mobile phone, which makes the navigation elements, search, menu, and checkout at the bottom of the third screens. Designers can leverage this understanding to craft seamless mobile interactions. Now, generative UI and personalization. Generative UI is the revolutionizing the way we interact with applications, making them more intuitive and personalized. Key features in generative UI: we have real-time adaptations, context-aware, personalized, and dynamic. Dynamic in the terms of layouts, and the components and content are generated, ensuring unique experience each time. How generative UI works? Technically, Gen UI bridges the gap between large models and front-end components. 1. It imputes analysis, the system processes, user prompts or behavioral signals, model decision. An AI model like GPT-4o or Cloud 3.5 identifies the user's intents. Benefits include hyper-personalization. Challenges and disadvantages include consistency versus adaptability, AI hallucinations. Now we have uniformism. Uniformism 2.0 is the next step in UI design, blending the physical and digital worlds by using advanced CSS techniques. Benefits: improves usability, reduces cognitive load, and enhances user experience. Web trends in 2026. We have things like foldable devices, we have AI personalization tools. In conclusion, web design in 2026 is all about creating adaptive AI-enhanced ecosystem that anticipates the user's needs.
Hey, Dr. Anayo, my name is Oga Christopher, and my topic is how blockchain technology enhances transparency in systems. Firstly, what is blockchain? Blockchain is a digital distributed ledger that records transactions across multiple computers so that no record can be altered without network consensus. Secondly, blockchain, its key features are things such as decentralization, immutability, and traceability, which makes it a powerful tool for promoting transparency. For example, in a blockchain system, every participant sees the same data, meaning which of course reduces the chance of fraud or hidden activities. Also things like change and altering of the data on the blockchain. Okay, blockchain can enhance transparency in different ways. Firstly, decentralization. Decentralization removes a single controlling authority so that the data is shared among all participants. From the word decentralized, means there's no central body that controls it. Secondly, immutability. This ensures that records cannot be changed secretly. Thirdly, traceability. This allows every transaction to be linked to previous ones, making audits easier. Finally, real-time verification lets participants confirm information instantly without intermediaries. Many sectors are already benefiting from blockchain technology. In finance, it enables secure transactions. In supply chains, it tracks products from origin, from wholesalers to retailers to delivery, to even the end users that use it. This prevents counterfeits as well. In conclusion, blockchain significantly improves transparency by making systems more open and accountable. Thank you.
Good day, my name is Bruce Imide. My presentation discusses the importance of requirement validation and verification in software engineering. Software requirements describe what a system is expected to do. They are very important because they guide the entire software development process. Requirement verification focuses on checking whether the requirements are properly written and documented. It ensures that the requirements are clear, consistent, and complete. Soft requirements validation, on the other hand, focuses on confirming that the requirements truly reflect the needs of users and stakeholders. Both validation and verification help reduce errors early in software development. In conclusion, requirement validation and verification are essential in software engineering. When properly applied, they help ensure that the software system meets users' needs and achieves successful project outcomes.
Good day, sir. My name is Zoe Obunaya, and my term paper is on how RESTful APIs help with data exchange in the web application. RESTful APIs has become a fundamental component of modern web application by enabling structure and efficient communication between server and clients. My term paper covers the RESTful APIs, their architectural principles, and their roles in data exchange used while in the web system. Emphasis is placed on how the RESTful APIs support scalability and performance during the web application. Thank you.
Good day, sir. My name is Adis Misha, and my project topic will be talking about the importance of mentorship in software engineering careers. Mentorship plays a vital role in software engineering careers as the field changes technologically. So mentorship provides a higher bridge between theoretical knowledge and practical experience. So it also helps with software engineers in the aspect of not only technological skills but also soft development skills such as communication, teamwork, and leadership. Mentorship in software engineering is a professional relationship between an experienced engineer, which is the mentor, and a less experienced engineer, which is the mentee. It involves sharing technical knowledge and career advices with emotional advices too in software engineering. Mentorship often beyond coding practices into include life experiences and design, project management, and navigating organization culture.
Good morning, sir. My name is John Patient, member of Group 27, and my project is to explore the principles of user-centered design. User-centered design is a design approach that prioritizes users' needs, goals, and also sets limitations throughout the development of interactive systems. As software applications become increasingly complex and deeply integrated into everyday life, usability and user satisfaction has merged a key principle into user-centered design, whereby when the software engineer is to design a system, he actually needs to gather requirements that suits what the user needs and what the system or what the user should actually expect at the end of the system. So in general, user-centered design is like a design phase that focuses mainly on the end users of a particular software product.
I'm in Group 27. My topic is explore the principles of user-centered design. User-centered design is a vital approach to designing effective, usable, and inclusive systems by placing users at the center of the design process. User-centered design ensures that products address real user needs, reduce errors, and improve overall satisfaction. Its principles promote continuous evaluation, iterative improvement, and active user involvement throughout the system lifecycle. The continued relevance of user-centered design highlights its importance